I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you suspect your WhatsApp account has been hacked, follow these steps to regain control. Step 1. Secure your phone. Make sure your phone is secure by changing your device password or PIN. This prevents the hacker from accessing your phone again. Step 2. Log out of WhatsApp Web. If you have WhatsApp Web open, log out immediately. This will prevent the hacker from accessing your messages through the web version. Step 3. Request a verification code. Open WhatsApp and enter your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Once you regain access, enable two-step verification in the settings. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring the PIN when registering your number. Step 5. Inform your contacts. Let your contacts know that your account was compromised. This helps them avoid any suspicious messages that may have been sent while your account was hacked. It's important to act quickly if you suspect your account has been hacked. Following these steps can help you recover your account and secure it for the future. Stay safe.